Applying for personal loan on Metro Bank is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to show you how you guys can apply for personal loan in Metro Bank. So for that, you have to be at your browser and you have to search Metro Bank loan. Now here, you guys will be able to see their website. Personal loans apply online in minutes. I'm just going to click on this link. It will take me to their website. Now here, what you have to do is you just simply have to scroll down. Now at their website, you guys can see it is personal loans. You can read the whole thing to understand. A personal loan can make it happen, and you can get the loan from £1,000 up to 35,000. So you just have to keep on scrolling down. Now suppose I wanna buy. So how you guys can get the loan? Now here you just have to click on this, get a code with the red shader. What it will do is it will take you to the new page, and in this page you have to put your information about why you need loan and your name, your address, and all of the necessary information they require. And after that, your application for the loan will submit it and they will respond you as soon as possible. So that's pretty much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this video helpful.